Hey everybody, it's JK Walker with ECUHero, and today I'm going to show you how to download and install the software. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the Downloads tab. But as you can see, we're not logged in right now, and we have to log in to see this page. So if we click and we go to Login, we're just going to take our username and our password and we're going to put it in and hit select Login. Now, once we do that, it's going to take us to where we can actually download. And as you see right here, this is the ECUHero installer. You're going to click to download that. Once it's downloaded, you can either find that here in your downloads, depending on the browser you're using, but let's just say that you don't have that there. You just go here into Windows, you select where it says downloads, and then you find the installer. And then you're just going to double click that installer. It's going to ask you if you want to run that with permissions, and of course we do, so we hit next. So now we select next. We're going to select next again. You're going to read our EULA and then agree to that. You'll select next. Now this is where you pick where it installs on your computer, where of course we're going to put it in the program files folder. So we're going to hit next. And now it's going to say you're now ready to install ECUHero. So we're just going to go ahead and install that there. This is going to take a moment as you see you done, and I want to put that I agree to the licensing terms and conditions. Now this is going to install the Microsoft Visual C++. If you already don't have it on your computer, we're going to go ahead and install it, even though this one has. It says setup failed, but of course that's because this computer already has it, so we just continue on and we're going to click exit. And now we have installed the ECUHero program. If we go to our desktop, we're now going to see this icon. And just as easy as that, that's how you install ECUHero.